Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and easy pattern. This pattern can be used as a blanket and also you can knit in your jean sweater and lady sweater. See, this is the look of this pattern and this pattern is very easy to knit. See. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is 20 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast in multiples of 16 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 16, 16, 16, 16 and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 16 plus I have only one repeat, which is 16 plus 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, knit 8 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's the repeat from here to here. This is one repeat. For repeat pattern we have done purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and purl 4 again, right? Purl 4, knit 8, purl 4. This is the repeat pattern and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows you will purl all stitches. For every wrong side rows you will purl all stitches. We have done row 1 and row 2. Now row 3. For row 3 your edge stitch slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and for this 8 stitch we are going to twist this 4 stitch to the right way and these 4 stitch to the left way, like here, right? From these 4 stitches we're going to twist to the right way and then for this last 4 stitch twist to the left way and then purl 4 here. This is one repeat, right? This is one repeat, 2 repeat. I have done 3 repeats here, 2 repeat and 3 repeats. So purl 4 and from this 8 stitch twist 4 to the right way and from these 4 stitches we're going to twist this 4th stitch to the right way. So bring this 1 stitch here from the front side here and knit this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, this 4 stitch and twist 4 to the left way. So bring this 3 next stitch here from the back side and twist this 1 stitch to the left way. One, 2, 3 and knit all these 4 stitch. 1 2 3 and 4 and purl 4. 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, twist 4 to the right way, twist 4 to the left way, and then purl 4. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, for a last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side. Row 5 right side, your edge stitch slip and sorry, start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4. You're gonna knit edge row 1. For row 5, knit edge row 1. So purl 4, knit 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and purl 4. 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 8, 2 4 6 8 and purl 4. This is the repeat, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. Now for row 7, knit 4, purl 8, knit 4. We're going to knit here and here purl. So row 7, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4. Knit 4, purl 8 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then knit 4. 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, purl 8, 2 4 6 8 and knit 4. This is the repeat, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9. For row 9, your edge stitch slip, and from these 4 stitches, you're going to twist 4 to the right way. Right? We're going to twist this 4th stitch to the right way. So bring this stitch here from the front side. And from these 4 stitches, knit all 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4. Knit 4, and then here purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Purl 8 and then twist 4 to the left way. Bring this 3 stitch here from the back side. One 2 3 and then knit 4. 1 2 3 and 4, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11. For row 11, knit edge row 7, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 4 knit 4, 1 2 3 4. Knit 4, purl 8, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl 8 sorry, purl 8 and knit, sorry, 7, we have done only 7, 8, purl 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, purl 8 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Sorry, for repeat pattern, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and knit 4, edge stitch, knit. Row sorry, row 12, for row 12, purl all stitches. Row 13, for row 13 your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Now we're going to twist this 4 to the left way, twist this first stitch to the left way, so bring this 3 here from the back side, and from these 4 stitch knit all 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, purl 8 and twist 4 to the right way, right. Bring this stitch here from the front side, and from these 4 stitches knit 1 and knit 3, all together knit 4, right. And that's the repeat from here to here. Twist 4 to the left way, purl 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, twist 4 to the right way and edge stitch, knit. Row 14, purl all stitches. Row 15, for row 15 knit edge row 7 or row 11. So row 15 knit edge row 7, edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, purl 8 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, purl 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and knit 4 and your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 16, purl all stitches. Row 17, for row 17 edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For row 17 you knit edge row 1, right. Purl 4, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and edge stitch, sorry, that's the repeat. Purl 4, knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and purl 4, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 18, purl all stitches. Row 19, for row 19 edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and twist 4 to the left way. From this 4 stitch, twist 4 to the left way, so bring this 3 stitch here from the back side and from these 4 stitch knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 1 or knit all 4, right. And here twist 4 to the right way, bring this stitch here from the front side, sorry, yes, bring this stitch from the front side and knit 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, or all knit 4 and purl 4 here, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, twist 4 to the left way, twist 4 to the right way and purl 4, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. And last row, row 20, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. See, now repeat these 20 rows, row 1 to row 20, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.